All right, we're going to practice which trapezoid has a correctly drawn line of symmetry. So when you fold it in half, is it going to match up? The only one that will is letter B. Which picture has more than one correctly drawn line of symmetry? Letter C is the only one that has more than one correctly drawn line of symmetry. Which figure has only one line of symmetry? Okay, well, letter A has not one, but two lines of symmetry, so it's not A. Same thing with B. Here's one, and here's another one. All right, what about C? We draw a line through the middle of it. Can you see my line? Let's try it again. Okay, there's one and two. Okay, what about this one? D has one line of symmetry. Only one. Good. Look at the letter below. Which statement best describes the line of symmetry in letter W? How many do you see? I only see one vertical line of symmetry. There it is. C, the letter W has a vertical line of symmetry. Which of the following shows the right side of the figure in the box? So if I fold that over, it's going to match letter A. Which statement best describes the lines of symmetry in the letters below? The letters all have a horizontal line of symmetry. The letters all have a diagonal line of symmetry. The letters all have a vertical line of symmetry, or D, not here. All right. So remember, horizontal is side to side. So if I fold these over, I will get a match for E, not S, D, and B. Now let's try vertical, up and down. Nope, that's not going to work, is it? Nope. None of these are going to work for a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, what about diagonal? No, I don't think any of those are going to work either direction. Nope. No. 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 So D, not here. Which of these figures has more than one line of symmetry? Well, let's check it out. That one only has one, so it's not C. D only has one, it's not D. How about A? I only see one. Oh, let's try this one. B has two lines of symmetry, vertical and horizontal. Which letter contains right angles? Correct. Letter C is the only one with right angles. Look at the letters below. Which statement about the letters is true? The letters all have one line of symmetry. B, the letters do not have any lines of symmetry. Well, that's not true. I can see some already. How about C, the letters all have more than one line of symmetry? I don't think that's true either. Look at the U. The U is only going to have one line of symmetry. Look at the V. It only has one as well. D, the letters all have at least one line of symmetry. That might be our answer. Let's check it out. So there's a vertical line on the W. There's a vertical, horizontal, and diagonal on the X, aren't there? Wow. Okay. The V only has one. The O has one, two, maybe more, right? And then, like we said, the U only has the one. So the letters all have at least one. That's true. D. Which figure does not have a correctly drawn line of symmetry? If we fold it in half on the dotted line, will it add up? Yes, all of them except for the letter L. So our answer is C. Which figure has more than one line of symmetry? More than one. D has more than one. Which figure does not have at least one line of symmetry? Correct. A, the lightning bolt does not have one line of symmetry. Which of the following shows the top side of the figure in the box? Letter B. Letter B. Letter B. Which figure has a correctly drawn line of symmetry? Obviously, letter A. When I fold that triangle in half on that dotted line, it will line up perfectly. Which star has a correctly drawn line of symmetry? The purple one, letter B again. Okay, last one. Which statement about the lines of symmetry is true? A, the number of lines of symmetry is greater than the number of sides. No. B, the number of lines of symmetry is less than the number of pairs of sides of equal length. Well, there are two pairs, and there are two lines of symmetry, so it's not B. Letter C, the number of lines of symmetry is equal to the number of sides. No, we have two lines of symmetry and four sides. Letter D, the number of lines of symmetry is equal to the number of pairs of sides of equal length. Correct. Two lines of symmetry and two pairs of sides. Good job, everyone. Thank you for hanging in there.